What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm actually gonna do the Seafoam. I'm gonna run it through the car. This is gonna be a part 2. Last time I ran the whole thing through the tank. Do you see much of a difference? And this time I'm gonna run it through a vacuum line. I unplugged the brake booster. I'm gonna run it through there, and just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cap and get that started. All right, I'm gonna use this. Here's the Seafoam, and I have it disconnected. I have one of my little tubes go inside that. I'm gonna use this other side to dip into that cup over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up, and I'm only gonna do about that much. I'm not gonna do a lot, but I'm gonna just do that much to try to get what I can. And you can actually start seeing it work. Smoke is coming out of my exhaust, cleaning all that buildup, and just about done. It's a lot of smoke. So what I'm gonna do is let my car sit here for at least 10 to 15 minutes and put everything back together, and then yeah, we'll see what the results are. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes. This is all dirty already. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but all this right here on this side is all dirty. Oops. Let's get it started. As you can see, all that smoke. It's crazy. Try to rip it and get all that stuff out. This is like as much as coming out, but I don't have my little piece to hold my phone up, so I just have to hold it with my hands. I get back to the house, go ahead and add the rest to my fuel system. I guess whatever's left. I guess I'll go ahead and just do that now. Alright, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is all I have for you. So I'm gonna let it sit and then go from there. I'm pretty much about done. I did all the, got the majority of the smoke. It started smoking as I was putting the stuff in there. So I got all that cleaned up finally, and it's working a lot better. I feel like that car might run smoother. I haven't taken on a long ride, so I will find that out tomorrow. And yeah, until next time, until next time, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, leave a thumbs up as well, and I'll see y'all next time.